Let's take a look at our seventh problem type. And our first example, it tells us it's perpendicular to y is equal to negative 1/6 x minus 3, and it passes through the point 3, 4. Now our first step is to find m. And then the first sub-step within that is to write the given line in slope-intercept form. Well, it's already in slope-intercept form, so we're fine there. The second sub-step within that is to identify its slope. Once you got it in slope-intercept form, your slope is the numbers before your x. So slope is negative 1/6. Now, perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. What that means is we start with a slope from b, which is negative 1/6. We'd write it in fraction form if it wasn't already in one. So like if we had 5, we'd put 5 over 1. We flip it, that's the reciprocal part, so this becomes 6 over negative 1. And then you change its sign, so it goes from negative 6 over 1 to positive 6 over 1. So the m we're trying to find is going to be 6. Well, step 2 is still the same. Plug in the given point for x and y. So plug that in for x, plug that in for y. Plug in the m we found in 1c, which was 6. And x is 3, plus b. And then solve for b. Well, 6 times 3 is 18, plus b. Take the 18 on the left side, becomes a negative 18. And 4 minus 18 gives us... try it again. Gives us negative 14. And then step 3 is actually write our answer down. Well, m from step 1 we said was 6, so we got 6x, and b is negative 14. So our answer is y is equal to 6x minus 14. Let's take a look at our second example. So it's perpendicular to 5x minus 4y equals 8. Then it passes through the point negative 1, negative 2. First step, find m. And then the first sub-step within that is to write the given line in slope-intercept form. So we want to solve for y. I'm going to take negative 4y to the right side, take the 8 to the left side. So we got 5x minus 8 is equal to 4y. Try to get to y by itself, so we're going to divide everything by the number in front of our y, which is 4. So we got 5/4 x minus 8 over 4 equals 4 over 4y. So we got 5/4 x minus 2 equals y. Now our second sub-step. We put it in the slope-intercept form so we can easily see what our slope is. So slope is 5/4. Now perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals, which means we start with the slope from b, write it in fraction form if it's not already there, flip it, that's the reciprocal part, so 5/4 becomes 4/5, and then change its sign. So it goes from positive 4/5 to a negative 4/5. So the m we're trying to find is going to be negative 4/5. Well, our second step. Plug in the given point for x and y. This is x and this is y. So we'll put negative 2 in for the y. M we said was negative 4/5. And x is negative 1. And then plus b. Then we want to solve for b. Well, negative 4 times negative 1 gives us a positive 4. So we've got 4/5 plus b. Take the 4/5 over to the left side, becomes a negative 4/5. Notice I put the negative more up on top of the 4 than down below. This is a mixed number, so we'll take negative 2 times 5 gives you negative 10, and add to the negative 4 gives you negative 14/5. So then we want to write our answer down. M, we said, was negative 4/5, and B was negative 14/5. And that'd give us our answer. Yeah, I guess that's last one there.